How's it going, everybody? My name is Brandon,
And I'm Ryan.
and we're both brothers, and we're with Easy Swap Pots. And we have come up with a solution for you. Maybe you're fed up with Coco liners, or maybe you're just simply tired of the birds picking them apart to build their nests. Or I know a lot of you are probably tired of them drying out way too fast.
So the main benefits that we got going on right here is that the birds can't pick them apart to build their nest like many of them do. They last for 3+ seasons, so you'll not be throwing away every year. And also the biggest thing is that they retain moisture better, so you can go longer in between your waterings.
Another huge benefit to our liners is that my brother and I actually make these liners from start to finish.
We don't buy these in whole and flip them. We actually make them. I do all the cutting. My brother does all the sewing.
And together we ship them to you.
And we do make them right in Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Absolutely. So just over the last year, my brother and I have been hard at work designing these fabric liners to fit the window or deck planters. After having our hanging baskets and numerous green thumbs giving us all sorts of great feedback on how well they work, everyone kept asking, what about my window planters? What about my deck planters? Well, we got the solution. So maybe you're looking for some window and deck planters or some liner replacements, and we will show you the differences.
So all of our plant liners are made out of a 12-ounce polypropylene geotextile. That's just a fancy word for a heavy-duty landscape fabric. And a couple of designs that we got in sizes is we have a 24-inch trough liner, a 24-inch box liner, a 30-inch trough liner, a 36-inch trough liner, and down here we got a 48-inch box liner. And this would be the Panacea brand.
We also have, and it's not on our wall, a 48-inch, oh, it's a big one. This would be for a 48-inch trough liner that fits the Garmin brand. So, now maybe you don't know which one you do have. The difference is that the trough liners round down and fit the back side. As you can see, these all round down, where the box style literally looks like a box hanging on the thing. Maybe you can pull up that to show them. But as you can see, basically there's a bottom on the planter. So if you've got a bottom on the planter and the front doesn't just roll to the back, you would have a box liner. If your metal wire just rolls to the back and there isn't actually any platform built out up here, that is a trough liner.
And you might be wondering, what size do I have? And it is super simple. You just have yourself a tape measure, or even like a yardstick, or even like any kind of dollar bill is usually about 6 inches. That'll get you close enough. We did make a video about this, but real quick, all you're going to do is measure straight across the top. So you just measure straight across the top, 24 inches, and same going across all the way here. We got 30, 36, and 48. So you're just measuring straight across the top.
Alright, so now you know what size you have. You know the two different styles. There's a trough style and a box style. That's all you really need to know. Let's go over if you order some of our Easy Swap fabric liners. So they're going to come just like this. We roll them up and then we put a little label on them and a little string to hold it all together. Once you cut that string, it's going to unroll into what you see here. And then we have two simple styles. Our most popular 24 and 30-inch trough planter liners, they come with snaps on them, and that's because our hanging baskets all had snaps and we were trying to keep the same style and have everything look nice. So now that you would have these, if you unroll them, it's going to be the tallest side towards you, and if you can't figure that out either, the other simple way is just to have the snaps and the flap pointing towards you or out.
Yep, the outside snap would be pointing towards you or out.
Yep, and that's how it goes.
So anything bigger than a 30-inch, we have a little different style, but same good quality. We just have it sewn on the side here. So we got rid of our snaps.
Now when you do first get them and you first put them in there, they do look like they're a little big, but we promise by the time you throw some soil in there, everything's going to settle and it's going to sit a little lower. And honestly, we still like to have a little bit of fabric up above the metal rim as it helps with the watering process.
So now that you've seen our product and see what we have to offer, you might be wondering, where can I get these awesome liners?
And we've got just the spot. You can find all of our liners at www.easyswappots.com. That's easyswappots.com. Or you can find them on eBay or Etsy by just searching Easy Swap Fabric Liners.
So thank you for checking out our products.
We would love to line your window planters with the best Coco liner alternative on the market.
And we know once you try one of these, you're going to love it. And your plants are going to love you for it. That's for sure.
Until next time, peace.